Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change background color in Filmora, customize background color easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. So once that one is already turned on, it's time to import the media that you want to use. So simply click onto import media in here, or you could simply drag and drop the videos or photos that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this photo in here. I'm going to click onto the plus icon in here to add this one here onto the timeline. So this is how it should look like as of the moment. And as if you've noticed in here, onto its side, the background color that it has is black. Now, if you want to go ahead and change that, what we need to do is to click onto the clip that you just recently added, and then we're going to drag that and put this one here onto the upper part just like that. Then right after, the next thing that we need to do is to head here under stock media. So this is where we could go ahead and choose the color that we want to add for the background. So we have solid color in here, and we also have gradient color. So we're going to opt for solid color, and there are a lot of options to choose from. So you could go ahead and try to search here onto the search bar if you're looking for some colors in there or anything. But if the or if you want to browse, you could just simply scroll down here and you should be able to see the different colors that are available. For example, I want to go ahead and use this blue color. So we have to download that first, since this one is a stock media offered by Filmora. Right after it is downloaded, you should be able to see a plus icon to add this onto the timeline. So as you can see, it has been added already, just like that. And if you go ahead and do a quick preview, this is now your photo together with the background should look like. And that is how to change background color in Filmora. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.